Did you find your ex is coming back?
Really run. This is my motivation.
Let's go!
गाड़ी में उड़ा के ना चली जाए. Let's go, fine.
What was the preparation for the run? How much the preparation? How much the preparation?
Block the traffic.
How much the preparation?
10 weeks.
हाँ.
चल घर पे चल लौड़े चल घर पे.
अच्छा, what was the preparation for the run? What was the preparation for the run?
I just ran.
What about you guys?
I did practice for like one whole month.
Whole entire month.
Yeah. And I've been practicing like I've been running the whole month. I've been timing myself, and that's how I did it.
Next, are you planning to take part in further competitions or like Mumbai Marathon or Delhi, something like that?
Yes, this is my first marathon. I loved it, and I'm gonna surely take part in the next marathon.
How's the Josh?
It was high.
The last runner, how you feel?
Sorry, 10 kilometers.
10 kilo. How much month you have taken a preparation for that?
Around 15-20 days.
Did you have taken part in a Nike, any of the sessions for going for that?
No, not really. I did practicing outside.
So any future goals in marathon, Mumbai Marathon, Delhi, Kolkata is there?
I want to travel for it, but first I need to prepare for it properly.
What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Rashi.
Looking all the best. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for the challenge. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Subhashi Krishnan and I am 34 years old and I'm coming from Thane. So this is the best ever running which happened here. So I'm really very happy. So my family, my son and my husband encouraged so much to run for this race. And I'm really so proud that I am happy for this marathon, and I really wish that everyone all the women should participate in the race. And thank you so much for Nike and sponsor for the sugar one. That's really.
What was the traffic management by the cops?
So
and
that was very nice. It was
during the peak hours.
It was very
well managed.
Very well managed and organized, because as the women were running, all the police officers around everywhere, they were just having a perfect timing. Like it was all the time they were just
and the crowd cheerings on the route,
and everyone who was standing on the path, they was telling that you can do it and do the sprints and everything. From the small kids, from the dog, and all the youths were just holding the post.
Just like Mumbai Marathon.
Yes, and they was telling that hot girls are going. So it was a best night. It just happened.
You have taken part in any of the...
Yeah, before I took in the Hira Nandani and before in the Mumbai Marathon.
Mumbai Marathon.
So yeah.
42 or half?
No. It's just 10 kilometers.
It's 10 k.
I hope that I am on that path that I can do the full one. Let's see. Hope for the
Okay,
best.
all the best, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much.
It was very humid, yeah, but we did it. It was amazing. The vibe, the women, the empowerment. It's amazingly epic.
This is your first one or you have done your in the past?
No, I have done a lot of marathons, yes, but yeah, this night run is the first one I have done.
How was the organization?
Amazing. From the start till the very end, the entrance, everything was very grand.
The traffic, the cops and everything.
We didn't face anything.
But you're looking forward for next year if they organize?
Absolutely.
Any of your goal for the marathon or half marathon, your target goal for achievement, your PB?
So this 10 kilometer was very easy. It was easy run. Yeah. So like it gave me a boost that I can do it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo. All the best wishes, ma'am. Thank you. How was the run today?
It was challenging. It's so worth it because the idea of just doing it works for me. I'm in recovery. I was struggling, but having all the pacers up and down changed the game for me. So thank you for that.
Did you have ever taken any of the competition running road races?
I have. Yes. I'm ready.
Since you have run?
12 kilometers.
12 kilometers. Yeah. This is your PB?
This is my second best, I think.
Second?
Third best.
So next year Mumbai Marathon, any chances? Definitely.
Freaking loosely showing up for that.
What about you, ma'am?
It was good. We started like around
Traffic management कैसा था? पुलिस वाले का जो traffic management, cops, everything.
very good. Like actually we ran thanks to this man right here and all the cops. He was running with us. We were the last and we've overtaken so many runners and we were today because of it. So fantastic.
Cops are fantastic. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, how was the run today? How was the run?
It's amazing.
What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, it was amazing. The arrangements were also good.
This is your first run or you have done in a park?
I have ran before, but right now it was in the dark, so it was a different experience.
What about you, ma'am? And you? This was your first run. So, what was the preparation? I want to know the first run the people run.
I have been a backbencher all my life. I've never studied for an exam, so I did not even prepare for the race either. So I was just awe-struck that I was able to complete. So it was a different experience altogether. That what you think you can do, but it's like more than that. Like we don't think we are enough, but this race was a ability to that.
Acha, any of among these three friends who made you to run this run? You. Acha, you must be like running. Since how many years have you been running?
I'm not a runner. I'm a martial artist. I'm an
Oh wow.
So it was something very new and was sponsored by Nike. I was very excited.
Some kick demonstration on the street?
I am a chemtech.
Okay.
I know how to play running, but I don't have it now.
So any PB you guys are expecting next year or you guys want to plan for?
Any more?
Any PB means personal best running in the upcoming races. Mumbai Marathon is there. Hopefully. Chalo. All the best guys. Take care. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Nike.
It was really fun, very well organized, and it was a lot of fun.
Acha, inside you girls were having a party. Guys were not allowed here.
Yeah.
Great.
Great, that's great.
Okay, so what was happening inside?
Sorry?
What is happening inside?
Party's yet to start, I think.
Acha, party's
party's
yet-
yet to start, yeah.
So how was the run overall on the route? How was the run management done by the Nikes?
It was pretty good. We would have appreciated a little bit more of encouragement towards the end because we didn't know when the last 1 kilometer started or when the last 200 meters. Like if there was a little bit more encouragement, we would have run faster towards the end. But otherwise, it was great.
This is your first run or you have done in any of the marathon,
I've done the Tata Marathon.
other marathon?
Yeah.
Tata, Mumbai?
Yes.
What is the PB? Personal best?
Oh. This would be the personal best.
This is the personal. So next year you guys are planning again to come back?
Yes, we'll have to.
Chalo, all the best. Hope to you guys catch you soon. Thank you. Did you like the medals?
Yes, I loved it.
So this is your first run or like
Yeah,
this is the first run?
Yeah.
So what was the preparation?
Preparation was like I did 6 weeks of training.
In a Nike they have given
Yeah,
a
Nike training.
so you guys are regular getting into?
Not a regular runner, but I definitely.
Definitely.
I keep on running, yeah.
So how was the traffic management by the cops and traffic whole entire
It was
thing?
very good. Everything was like really fine. It managed very well. Yeah.
And the guys were cheering at the ends like
Yes, we had those boards and everything which kept us motivating around, and it was very good.
so looking for next year, ma'am?
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.